Notice that every diabetic is averse to sustaining wound or injury because a diabetic wound is difficult to heal, and most times it leads to amputation. Doesn't it teach us some wisdom that consistent use of sugar impedes healing and regeneration and also destroys our immunity? You need to know why sugar is dangerous to your health. Sugar can be dangerous to health when consumed even in small amounts. Consuming sugar drinks and foods can contribute to weight gain and obesity. Excess sugar is stored in the body as fat, which can lead to an increase in body weight. High sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, a condition in which the body becomes less responsive to insulin. And insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. So this can lead to type 2 diabetes, a chronic disease that affects how the body processes glucose. Bacteria in the mouth feed on sugar, producing acid that can erode the tooth enamel and lead to cavities. High sugar consumption can lead to high levels of triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood. This can contribute to the development of heart disease. High sugar consumption can trigger an inflammatory response in the body, which can contribute to the development of chronic disease such as arthritis and even cancer. Now, that is the reason why we continue to advise you to completely eliminate sugar from your diet. Sugar is not a food substance. Sugar is toxic. Sugar is poison. Watch this video from Aproko and understand more what we have to say.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Please wait. I want to understand what's going on. Please, listen.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I hope you can see how much sugar is here.
You plenty.
And it's only people that something is doing that will use this amount of sugar and drink tea. Or no matter how hungry is catching you, you say you want to use this amount of sugar and drink gari. You know that normal people cannot take this amount of sugar. Do we agree? Yes. But you will take energy drink. 4 in a day. In many bottles of energy drink, this is the amount of sugar inside one bottle. 56 grams, 14 teaspoons of sugar, and you are drinking. Besides that, there's also caffeine inside. You know, stimulants. Your heart will start beating fast. Insomnia. You can't think well. But this amount of sugar will give you energy, but the energy is not going to last. Now, if you continue taking this sugar, you might predispose yourself to metabolic resistance, insulin insensitivity, and before you know what's happening, you're at risk of diabetes. So please, my dear, life does not work the way it works inside your head. Because they wrote gram at the back of the bottle, you think it's not plenty sugar. It's plenty. That gram is 14 teaspoons of sugar in most energy drinks. So use your tongue and count it.